My apologies, my microphone was not working while I was recording this, but I'm gonna do a voiceover. This is my review of the Surround Tabletop. It's made to be used with a solo stove, bonfires, or a range fire pit. So it's basically for an outdoor table, and it also provides a safety area. This table measures 16 inches in height. The inner circle measures at 21.6 inches, and the full diameter of across of the table is 37.5 to be exact. This table is nice and heavy, not too heavy. It's made out of metal, so it's going to be nice and stable on the ground for you. It's made out of good quality, and it's UV resistant, perfect for outdoor use. It's sturdy and very easy to install, very easy to take apart if you're taking it with you on an RV trip or camping or something like that. It's very convenient. So it has these mesh protectors. You're able to take them off if you don't need them, and it does come with a little storage pouch where you can store them in there.